Alright, so look, whenever you hear a rattling noise when your car running, and it sounds like something really rattling, but it sounds like it's knocking, always check your pulleys. Check your pulleys. Cause this right here is an alternator pulley. You see how that is? Watch this right here. It's not even. See? It's going back and forth. It's supposed to be even back and forth. It's not supposed to wobble. So when that belt hold on to it and turn it so fast, it's steady wobbling, just like that, knocking. Check your pulleys. It could be your alternator pulley, idler pulley, like check your pulleys. Amen, say amen. Yeah, so that's what it should do. When you change that pulley on the alternator, if it's making a rattling noise, you don't have to always go buy a brand new alternator, especially if your alternator charging and still working. All you gotta do, find you an alternator shop. I had took mine to a shop and they just replaced the pulley. Brand new pulley. No more noise.